Here is the best NFC Beast drink you will ever taste. Why? Because it's America's team and America's drink. Let's go, boys. So a few of my buddies, Tim from Spirit of the Cocktail, Vino from Coach Vino's Progress Bar, and Matt from Icemancantcook are all fans of an NFC Beast team. And it so happens we are all fans of different teams, even though there's only one America's team. So we decided to have a little friendly competition and make a drink represent each of our teams. Cocktail quiz time! The NFC East teams have combined to be the most successful division in the Super Bowl era with 21 NFC championships and 13 Super Bowl victories. And it's also the only division in the league where all 4 current teams have won at least 1 Super Bowl. Which NFC East team has the most Super Bowl wins? Do we even have to guess? I do feel it's entirely unfair because I will automatically win with my boys, but it is still fun to see who will come in second.
Sub second place.
I am more than halfway to 1,000 subs, and with that, I want to do a big giveaway to match the special occasion. Now, I kept trying to figure out what would be the best bottle to give away. I went through a lot of ideas and it finally hit me.
Then it hit me.
Everybody is always hunting Buffalo Trace products. So here it is. I'm gonna give away an E.H. Taylor small batch. I know, that's not what you're expecting. So, I'm also gonna be giving away an E.H. Taylor straight rye. How does that sound? What? Still not impressed? Okay. So then I'm also gonna give away an E.H. Taylor single barrel. That's right. When I hit 1,000 subs, I'll be giving away all 3 of these bottles to a lucky winner. So make sure to hit that sub button as to not miss out. I'll be using 2 different whiskeys in this drink. I did a review of each of these whiskeys, and yes, both are Texas certified whiskeys, of course. If you have not seen those reviews, I will leave a link for them right here. So let's get to the Super Bowl drink. America's Team Old Fashioned ingredients. 2.5 ounces of Garrison Bros Cowboy Bourbon, 1 to 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, 1 dash of Orange Bitters, 1/4 ounce brown sugar simple syrup, 1 ounce Balcones True Blue Bourbon, 1 orange. Alright, so let's start making America's Team Old Fashioned. We're going to start off by, in a glass, we're going to add 1 ice to it. Then we're going to pour ourselves 1 ounce of this Balcones True Blue cast strength. We're just going to pour it over the ice, and we're going to set that aside for now. We're going to add 1 to 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. I like those big hefty dashes. Gnome would be proud of me. And 1 to 2 dashes of Orange Bitters. Now we're going to add 1/4 ounce of this brown sugar simple syrup. I did make this with Demerara sugar. That's what I had available, and I actually like that a little bit more.
He like it.
Now I'm only using 1/4 ounce because I want to highlight the bourbon in this one and not take too much away from it. However, this brown simple sugar does highlight a lot of the flavors are in this bourbon. Now we're going to add the star of the show, the 2 ounces of Garrison Bros Cowboy Bourbon. Just listen to that pour.
Music to my ear holes.
Now let's add some ice. Now we're going to stir until chill. So now we're going to strain into this special glass with 1 large ice cube in it. Look at that beautiful color. And last but not least, we're going to express the oil pill oils over the drink. And then we can use that as the garnish. And there you have it, America's Team Old Fashioned. And don't forget about that True Blue you set to the side. We're gonna pour this into a shot glass. We'll talk more about that in a bit. Cocktail quiz time. The NFC teams have combined to be the most successful division in the Super Bowl era with 21 NFC championships and 13 Super Bowl victories, and the only division in the league in which all 4 current teams have won at least 1 Super Bowl. So, which NFC Beast team has the most Super Bowl wins? Answer, the Cowboys with 5.
Cowboys, win!
So, it is now time to taste this championship winning drink, the America's Team Old Fashioned. Now we do have this shot on the side. It is the True Blue because the Cowboys fan club is called True Blue Fans. So let's taste the America's Team Old Fashioned and follow it with the Fanatics True Blue. You've gotta love it. You smell the orange oils that we expressed over the drink. As it comes to your nose, you start smelling the bourbon. And oh my goodness, this bourbon smells fantastic. Now I just took a little sip because I started smelling that I wanted to describe that before. So let me go in for a real drink. Oh yeah. For a bourbon that's 134.8 proof, this goes down smooth. Just like the Cowboy, strong, smooth, and a great finish. For many years, I know. Let's go in for that second drink. So you do taste the bourbon, you taste all the flavors of this bourbon, and you get a lot of that Angostura because I did do 2 pretty good sized Angostura Bitters. I do have that taste in the end, and I do like that taste. If you're not a big Angostura Bitters fan, leave a little bit less or do smaller dashes. As a true Cowboy fan, the True Blue, the Cowboys would not be the team they are without their fan base. And so that's what this is representing in my drink, the fan base of the Dallas Cowboys. You can go to any NFL stadium in the US, and I guarantee if the Cowboys are there, there's going to be Cowboy fans there as well. And even when the Cowboys aren't there, there are still usually a few Cowboy fans in those stands.
Wait, why would there be Cowboys fans at the Redskins game?
So to all my fellow Cowboy fanatics, cheers. Wow, I really do like this. Very good contrast to what we have with the Cowboy bourbon. Thanks again for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole.
Tumbling down the rabbit hole.
Make sure to go check out my buddy's NFC Beast drinks. I will leave a link for each of those in the description below. Leave comments of your favorite team and what drink you would make for them. Cheers.